Yo, what's up, Aramis? Welcome back to another reaction video. Today we are to Suga Airplane Part 2 Fancam. Focus on sugar, and that's just about the sugar. Guys, check out our page.
So this video is really gonna be sweet.
Yes.
Just giving you a heads up.
Yes, heads up. So yeah, check out our Patreon, guys. We have other contents there if you choose to support us, and let's just get into it. I mean, you should have done the intro because it's biased.
Drink water.
This is a freaking clean footage.
Yeah.
Like, oh my god.
Bro, how old is the footage?
Feels like cameras they use from.
Okay, I think they're just freestyling on this. Sugar looks dope here. What the fuck?
Like, bro, literally all of them. Look at JK and
Oh wow! I love this. I love when Sugar is fluffy.
It's not Sugar's part. Or is it Joe?
Huh, Joe.
No, Joe. Did you forget?
I think he's singing.
Okay, singing.
Okay, the notice to the yet.
Okay, the kid changed mic. Like, it's Joe that's supposed to sing, but I guess his mic was like.
Yeah, like who noticed?
The
Sugar, like, yeah, the person brought man. Sugar wanted to give mic as well. Really.
Yeah. And then start to walk. Oh, the mic switch though. That was smooth.
I didn't even notice.
The switch, man. I guess that one was more.
It's you that will take everything seriously, Sugar. I'm not lip syncing, bitches. Let me see this way. Hey!
Oh, this is actually great. But with the fact that when Sugar is just like standing or when he's maybe running or something, you will not think he has this kind of dancer kind of charisma.
Yeah.
And stuff. But once it's like dancing,
Yeah.
he's so free. No, he's not forcing anything. It's just like
Yeah.
Starting, yeah. I'm a chan, bro.
Wait, then that means they probably have dance practice for Airplane Part 2. Maybe we should check it or something. I'm not sure I've seen it.
Alright.
Yeah, guys, that's Bts Airplane Part 2. Sugar Fancam.
Yep.
Just smash like on the video, suggest more guys, until we see you next time, guys.
peace out.